Today we are going to be making a Barbie parachute. Just have a high place ready and a Chelsea doll. I am using Marlo, but let's get right into it. You are going to need a plastic bag, some yarn or string, a hole puncher, and some scissors. Don't forget your Chelsea Barbie doll. Let's get started. Okay, we're gonna take the plastic bag and our hole puncher, and on all four sides we are going to do some hole punching. Okay, we're gonna open this up. And I got one hole punch. Two hole punches. Three hole punches. Four hole punches. Okay, now that we've got the hole punches, we are going to put the string through. So take one end and go through, and then you're going to take the other end that's still outside, and you're going to tie them together. And maybe do it twice so it stays. Perfect, look at that. Perfect. Now you are going to just take a little length, like about this much length, and you're going to cut it. Perfect. And now you're going to do that with all of the other holes. Okay, now we are going to tie Marlo to the bag. We are going to put her arms up like she's saying, "Whee!" And we're going to take the two string on one side and tie that to her hand. Not too tight, so maybe you could use this parachute again. But if you don't care, you could do double knot. Do the other one. Okay. And then we're gonna do the other side. Now we're ready to fly! Hey guys, before you go, please like and subscribe for more how-to Barbie videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!